All right guys, today we're talking the DSD individual decking screw from Simpson Strong Tie. They are a 316 stainless steel hardwood decking screw. These boxes that I've got are hardwood to softwood, as in hardwood decking into softwood timber joists. An alternative to something like your Quick Drive or your Project Pro where you've got your collated yellow strip, these ones are designed for more like your old school individual decking screws, wedging system and making sure that you haven't got any burring. They do not require pre-drilling. These screws are strong enough, they can go straight in, nice flush head, real aggressive thread on it and a nice and firm star drive head. All right, so just give you a little demo on how easy these screws are without pre-drilling. Simple as that. No burring on the head, nice and clean. Beautiful. Beautiful.